hiding pieces of my heart. Every failure pinned upon me, I was falling apart. But you stepped into my darkness like the sunrise breaking through. When I thought I lost my future, hope came running and it looked like you. You lifted every burden, you silenced every lie. Where shame tried to drown me, your grace was louder than the night. 'Cause your love found me first, before the breaking, before the hurt. Every wall around my heart, you tore it down, you healed the scars. Oh, your love found me first, stronger than the fear, deeper than the curse. When I thought I reached the end, your love said start again. Your love found me first. While standing in the ruins of the walls I had lost, you rebuilt what I had broken, and you paid what I could not. You wrapped me in forgiveness, not a moment I deserved. When my hands were cold and empty, you filled them with your word. Now every chain is falling, now every shadow fades. You didn't wait for me to climb, you met me in the grave. 'Cause your love found me first, before the breaking, before the hurt. Every wall around my heart, you tore it down, you healed the scars. Oh, your love found me first, stronger than the fear, deeper than the curse. When I thought I reached the end, your love said start again. Your love found me first. How deep, how wide, your love that never leaves my side. How far, how high, your grace that brought me back to life. How deep, how wide, you rewrite every part of my life. How far, how high, your love forever satisfies. Your love found me first, it held my heart, it quenched the thirst. Where my guilt had built a throne, you broke the chains and called me